Chapter number 5, list. Now, list is used to store multiple items in a single variable. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, and it allows duplicate member. List is one of the four built-in data type provided by Python for storing collection of data. The other three are tuple, set, and dictionary. All four have their different usages, and the way you use any of this will depend upon the requirement. So, for example, as mentioned, list is ordered and changeable, and it allows duplicate. Um, so you will use list whenever you want whatever values you added in a list to be in the order which you have added. If you want to change any value, suppose you have created a list of 3 items, but you want to delete the second item, so you can do that in list. And if you want to have second and third item as the same value, so duplicate value, you can have it in the list. So if all of this requirement is valid, then you will use list. The usage of tuple, set, and dictionary will learn about it in its own section, which will be followed by after this section. Now it is important to know that list, the creation, we use square bracket, tuple will use round bracket, and set will use curved bracket. So it is important to know these differences because in interview you will you need to know these differences. Um, so there you go. Also, one more thing is any collection object, if they are changeable, then the language provider, in this case Python, will provide you all the methods which will help you to change. So we'll see this is a list of methods provided by built-in method provided by Python. So you can see, so first one is append. So you can add an element to the end of the list. Second is clear. So removes all the element from the list. Third is copy. Returns you a copy of the list. Fourth is count. Returns the number of element with the specified value. Fifth is extend. So adds an element of a list to the end of the current list. Index will return you the index of the first element with the specified value. Insert adds an element at a specified position. Pop removes the element at a specified position. Remove removes the item with the specified value. Reverse reverses the order of the list. So it is important, like, because it's changeable, you get all this pop, reverse, remove, extend, append. So, and last one is sort, which will sort the list. So let's have a look at the example. So what I've done here is I've created 3 lists here. First one is number, so it's an empty list. Second one is a string, again an empty list. And third one, I've defined it as a name, so it has pre-populated with 3 items in the list. Now, with the list, the first item is in index position 0, the second item is index position 1, and third item is index position 2. So that's how all the collection data type works. So uh, here I'm using the append built-in method provided by Python for lists. So I'm saying I'm appending to the empty number, I'm appending number 1, 2, 3. And for the string, I'm appending hello and world. And then I'm printing a number, just printing a example thing, and then printing a string. And I'm creating a second name variable, and I'm storing a string which is the first index position value of name. So in here, the first name would be Eric. So when I print this, it will print my variable, which is the second name. And then we'll come back to this. So let me run this program. So the first one, so the first print statement is this one. So it is printing number 1, 2, 3. So it is printing it in the same order in which I created it. So the order is this. So I've added 1 first and then 2 and then 3. So it is printing it in the same order. So hence it is ordered. And because I'm using append, after creation of a list, it is changeable as well. Yeah. For the string list, I'm printing it, and again it is printed it in the same order, hello world. And lastly, the second name. So we can see the first index position, the name is Eric, which is this. Um, Now let's have a look at this for statement. So line number 20, I'm saying remove, and then I'm sorting the name, and then I'm printing remove and number. So let's have a look. So as you can see, this remove 2, it has removed um, the number 2. So it is removing the value 2, uh, and then sorting the number. So I'm sorting the name, which is here. So it is sorted in alphabetical order. So Eric comes first, Jessica second, and John third. So there you go. The example of list with different built-in methods. Now, second one, this is a small example where I'm creating a list with 3 items in it, all of them string value. Here, I just wanted to show that I can mix and match. So I can add a string as the first 3 items, and then I can have number in the next 2 items. So if I print this, so you can see it is again in the same order as I've created them, but you can mix and match strings. So it can, a list can take any objects. So that's it for the list. So we'll learn about set and tuple and dictionary in the next few sessions. Thank you. I have provided the links in the description below for the Python and PyCharm download. I have also recommended 3 Python books to enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.